Hello, welcome aboard. My name is Paul Mefor. I am here to take you on a very short tutorial on how you can use Sitemaker to build a website in a very short space of time. Um, Sitemaker, as you may want to know, it's one of those tools, web design tools that are have been made for simplicity reasons. Especially, it benefits those who don't have the background of HTML coding and all that, and so that it makes it virtually really possible for everyone to um, put up a site on their own through drag and drop means and all that. So SiteMaker provides that kind of ease for people who want to be able to do things by themselves, manage their own sites, and put up some of the things on a web page and get them uploaded. So here we are. I'll try and then sign up for a trial of SiteMaker. So I'm going to click on the 14-day trial website builder and see what happens. I go to try now. Yes, it's opened up the start your 14-day free trial now and is asking for some details. What you have there are some of the features already that you can benefit from if you decide to use this. There's a 20 megabyte storage space. You can create up to 15 pages of web pages, upload videos, advert free picture and widget library and all that. So here is asking for the name of the site. We can say cute radio, cute radio. Dot my 14-day trial, and I'll put my name there as Paul, and Mefor on the other one. My email address, Paul Mef at gmail.com. Password, try and do that. My telephone, it's I'll put a country code if I don't think that is demanded, but it's 08630222632, and then there's a security code which is also demanded. I think that looks like 7. I put 7 G D U Q. Yeah, I've put in those details. I see how it works. See what happens. You have to agree to the terms and conditions. Click that. What happens? Start trial. Oh, it says there's an error. This email is already set up. Okay. Yeah, I've used my email previously because that's what I use. I use Site Builder. So let me just log in using my original Okay, at gmail.com, and my password. So I log in, see what happens. That's it. We have, you go ahead to start the 14-day trial. Enter your login details in the fields below to start creating your website. So, as said earlier, the name of the site is Qt Radio. So we're going to put Qt Radio here. And what follows. Normally when you sign up for these trials, the Sitemaker interface opens up with some editing capabilities to enable you work, right? So the new 14-day trial has now been set up. To get started, simply use your online control panel. Sitemaker includes some fantastic tools and features for you to try should you need any. Okay, these are instructions. Okay, so I go on to the control panel to sign in. I have an existing account with Namescope. Now we go that on that at gmail.com, and I put in my password. The password is there already, and then you go to the security code and type in the letters or numbers as you see them. But sometimes they're not case sensitive. So P login. Right, it's opened up. It's opened up. So I go. This is a control panel where I have all the details because I've already logged in before. So we'll go to domains. As you can see, Qt Radio has been registered as Qt Radio there. So I click on it to open it up. As you can see, it is a Sitemaker 14-day trial. So I go to where you have Sitemaker and click. That's Qt Radio opening up there. So, and you have all the instructions. Step 1, design. You select a category that you want. Or you can you can have the possibility of looking at all the templates that are there. You just click that and just click on the scroll to see what sort of templates you have there. That's it. That's you also have a blank templates. Blank templates. So That's it. Okay. So you have a number of templates that are already there which you can choose from. So if you ask me, I can use this tranquil. If I select it, I'm using it because the picture there already indicates something close to a radio. So I go next and launch the site. It tells you already that you're almost ready to launch your website. Please review your site details below. We've taken the summary of the things here. The design style is tranquil. That's the template that we chose. And the site address is www.cuteradio.my14day-trial. And the site name is cuteradio.my14day-trial. So we're ready to launch the site. I click on launch my site. It's opening up, being refreshed. That's it. That's it. So when you sign up for these day trials, when you sign up, there's a way of recognizing that you are the owner of a site that is being constructed. So it opens up with things like the editing functions that you need to use the website. But if you're just signing in, you're not, you're just a visitor to the site, all you can see is just a completed site like this without the possibilities of having editing tools attached to the site. It doesn't show you the editors or the editing tools that you can use. So now that you have signed up, the site is Cute Radio. We have the editor there, which enables you to make some changes when you want. Some other things that you can see are places where you can save after you have made some changes or made some designs. You want to maintain those designs, you come here and click save. And the file folder here enables you to either upload. If you click on it, for example, you can see that it opens up things for you to be able to upload. You have things like templates and you have library. So that's for the file manager or the file folder, which enables you to add videos, add pictures or images, add MP3s, MP3 files, and a few other things that you may want to bring in from your computer. There's also a library there. That's where you have the store of the image tools that you can use. For example, if you click on image tools, you can see some of the images. If you want to use this to bring in images in a gallery form, you can now use this. If you click on it and you click use, if you click on that, you see that it's selected here, and then you can go up there and upload it onto the same. For shapes, you got different shapes which you want to use to customize or make differences on the site. there are widgets that you can use. You have Google Maps, you have Twitter, you have YouTube, right? Well, as I said, that's it for the file manager, or the file folder, which enables you to upload certain things. And you also have the editor. If you click on the editor, it enables you to, for example, do things on the page, like we're on the home page now, and you want to either delete this picture or this text here. Once you get it clicked, it's selected, and it has handles that enables you to either move. Once you move the slides, the box in which the text is, the text's structure or design changes. You can shrink that back as well if you want. Let's see. Oh, we're clicking on something else. No, it says on the current page. So I click that again. You want to bring back the text, it changes the formation. You can widen it, you can bring it, make it bigger or smaller, as the case may be. So, and you can delete it. You see, it's already selected. You can come here, for example, and get that deleted. It asks you whether you want the object to be deleted. If you say yes or no, it's whatever you choose happens in accordance with the way you have chosen it, whether you want a yes or no. So if I say yes, I click yes, that disappears. So if you also want to paste something or copy something from a different part of the page or website and want to bring it in, that you can do with ease. You come here, choose a spot that you want to place either a text. For example, if you want to insert a text box, go to insert, that's a body text. For example, we choose body text, that's it. You have it there. So in a nutshell, I'll just go through again the core editing aspect of it, assuming that I want to use this particular images for this site. I don't want to, or assuming I want to, use a template. It's simple to get the template imported by going to files and clicking the template folder. There you have a number of templates which you can just click on one there and say use. Once you click use there, the template uploads, and with that you can now build your site or use that as a template that you want to build your site on. But if you don't want that, just like I don't want to have a fresh template because I see this image here, this particular image of the lady listening to music, as one of the things I want to use, I want people to see in my site. All I can do is make changes to this existing um, home page or existing page, I can remove all the images that are there. I click on this to select it and I go delete. It asks me whether if I want the selected object to be deleted. I say yes. I go to the text there and delete. The same option comes up. Yes. I scroll down just to ensure that this picture of the lady listening to music is just what I want people to see once they open up the site. I delete all this. Yes. I can actually select together all the things I want to by pressing Control. Okay, yeah. So I just have the image of the lady listening to music, so that once Qt Radio is opened up, that is the first thing that is seen. And I want to also change this, the text here. If you double click on it, it gives you the option or the possibility to, I can write Qt Radio there as that's what you like to see once you open up the site. Make sure that that is just what is. I can also remove this text or write a little bit on it in the space provided. Or even you can select all of them, click delete. So Qt Radio, your station on the move. I can make the text bigger by going here, clicking on font. The current size of the text is 14 and it's Arial. I can make it 18 as the case may be and enter. Yeah, that improves the size of the text. The thing about this text is that you can just see Qt Radio, your station on the move. So that's the first thing I want to see when one opens this site. And then some of the things you can do again is if you're looking to change, as you can see, that's the home page. If you're looking to change the menu, say for example the home page remains because that is what I want people to see once they open the site. But if I want to change something about this one, make a change there about, it asks whether you want to save the changes you've made. If you say yes, it agrees with you, and then it opens up the About menu. This is what we have in the About menu. And just like the home page, you can make changes of either changing text by clicking on the text box and double clicking to write in it. Or if you want the image to change, you can delete this by selecting it, selecting it and clicking delete. Should enable you you select it and go delete. It asks you whether you want the selected object to be deleted. If you say yes, it goes. And so you can import another image in its place if you want to by going File, click on the library folder, and it opens up a lot of things like image tool, shapes, and images. You go to image. If you want to bring that, click on it and say use this. Use this, and then click upload. That shouldn't be opening up. If you click upload, that's the image there already waiting. So you can drag it to the same position, make it smaller to fit in. Or you can actually delete this as well if you don't want it to be there. Delete that. Yeah. So that's how you import images and possibly change text as you want it. And then I was going to say that if you wanted to change the menu here, maybe you don't want the about, you go to pages. Okay, pages already clicked. You go to organize your pages, and it asks you whether you want to make changes. You say yes in order to retain the changes you've made already, and it opens up. So here you can actually change the about menu on the page. Let's say you want to say you can say video. That should, and you click apply, that should automatically change. You see there, it automatically changes the menu there of about to video. That's how you can make a quick change of some of the things you want or you don't want. And then you can also hide the menu, assuming you don't want this video to show. You don't want it to show, you just want it to be a hidden page. You can come over here and say hide menu on page, click it, That hides all the menu on the page. But you can also, to bring them back, you can also click this to hide the particular, that's the video page, hide it. And if you don't want to hide all of the menus, you can hide the particular page by clicking hide page in menu. If I click it back, the video returns, the video menu returns. So you can also add things like maps and social buttons. If you wanted to add something like okay, let's go to the widget. You can see YouTube if you wanted to, or Twitter or Google. It's all there, the number of social buttons that you want. So basically that's how you can make some changes to your site or bring in existing templates. You can also add images, add MP3 files, and basically all the necessities that you need to have your site, a professional site, up and running. Well, that's how it's going to be on this topic of using Sitemaker, the website builder, to build your site, a professional looking site if you want to. I've just touched a bit of some of the editing tools or the editing features that this software has, and which you can bring to use when you want to do your own site or make up your own site, the drag and drop way. So thanks for staying with me. I hope we do some other ones again sometime in the future. Until then, this is Paul Mefor saying thank you for sticking with me, and bye for now.